Sarah and David are having a friendly conversation about their shopping habits and the difference between small stores and big stores. They share their preferences, shopping times, and experiences.
Hey David, do you like shopping in big stores or small local shops?
Good question. I usually shop in big stores because they have more variety. What about you?
I prefer small stores sometimes because they're quieter and I get more personal service.
That's true, but don't small stores have higher prices?
Yes, that's one of the disadvantages. They can be more expensive, but the service is usually better and they're less crowded.
In big stores, the advantage is that you can find everything in one place, and there are often special offers.
Yeah, but I hate making long lines at checkout in big stores, especially during peak hours.
Me too. That's why I try to shop early in the morning or late at night to avoid crowds. When do you usually do your shopping?
I usually go in the afternoon, but I avoid weekends because it's too busy. Do you like shopping during peak hours?
Not really. It stresses me out. I prefer shopping when the store is calm and quiet.
Same here. I also prefer shopping alone. It helps me focus on what I need to buy.
Do you pay with cash or credit card when you shop?
I usually use my debit card, but sometimes I use credit if there's a discount or reward. What about you?
Same. And during Black Friday, I always use my credit card to get cash back in points.
Do you like shopping on Black Friday?
Yes, but it's crazy. The stores are packed and people are rushing everywhere. It can be exciting, but also stressful.
I know. Sometimes I prefer shopping online on Black Friday. It's easier and less stressful.
That's smart. Do you enjoy going to the supermarket?
Not really. It's more like a chore for me. I sometimes feel stressed when I have a long list.
Me too. And have you ever been at the checkout line, then suddenly remembered you forgot something?
All the time. Then I have to run back to get it and the people behind me get annoyed.
Same here. It's the worst. That's why I try to make a list before going, but I still forget things.
Shopping can be fun sometimes, but it can also be tiring, especially in big stores.
Agreed. That's why sometimes I enjoy shopping in small stores. It's quieter, faster, and I don't have to wait in long lines.
True. Each one has its advantages and disadvantages, right?
Exactly. It depends on what you need and how much time you have.
Well, happy shopping next time.
Thanks. You too. Let's hope we don't forget anything at checkout.
Yes, fingers crossed.